What's up, techies? This video is going to talk to you all about your wallet balance. This is a little bit of balance that you have inside your Tekmatix account to ensure that all of your consumables and billables, such as sending SMSs, making phone calls, sending emails, using AI, these are all of our pay-as-you-go features. This is how we keep our pricing low. A fixed fee rate per month doesn't go up on you when you increase your subscriber numbers, when you create more products, unlike the other platforms. We instead have a fair pricing model whereby you pay your fixed price for your plan, and then any consumables are charged at a pay-as-you-go and own billables and consumables. So on our public pricing page, tekmatix.com/pricing, or you can click on the main menu and press the pricing page here. This is very, very publicly listed for everyone to see exactly what our pricing is. There is a link here that will take you to our pricing calculator. Now, while that's loading, FYI, you can also access the pricing calculator from right inside your Tekmatix dashboard. When you're logged into your account over here on the left-hand menu, if you scroll down this left-hand menu, you actually have an SMS cost estimator in here as well. Obviously, this one's just for calling and SMSing. Oh, no, we also have email costs in there now. So this inside your account, SMS cost calculator or cost estimator, this will show you all of the prices that you can be expecting to be paying for your campaigns and all of your different billables. But just wanted to let you know, you also can access this directly on the Tekmatix website pricing page too. So let's just take you into, what are we talking about here? Basically, inside Tekmatix, because you're being charged if you make a call, if you send an SMS, if you send emails, if you use AI, right? We need to make sure that you always have a balance of money in your Tekmatix account to cover the costs of these, because just like your mobile phone or your bank account, right? If you go to make a purchase and there's nothing in your bank account, the sale's not going to go through. And this is exactly the same with Tekmatix, right? If you are sending out emails and you have no credit in your Tekmatix bank account, so to speak, then your emails campaigns are just going to stop working halfway through. They're going to stop working the second that your credit goes down to zero. So we don't directly take from your credit card, so to speak, when these campaigns are going out. You actually add your credit to a wallet inside the dashboard. You get to control actually how much cash or credit sits inside your account for doing email sending. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your settings icon on the bottom left-hand side of your menu. And when you're inside your settings, click on your billing area. So this is just one step down from the business profile. In your billing area, you've got these three top sub menus. You've got subscriptions, payments, and wallet transactions. You want to click on the wallet transactions. So think of your wallet a little bit like your credit. These are the number of credits that you have put inside your Tekmatix account so that your email campaign sends, so that your phone calls work, so that your AI receptionists and bots can work, so that your fancy automations with your premium features work, and so on. You need to make sure that there is credit always in here. So this is a very important step to now do. You want to tell the system, how much do you want to basically always sit inside your account? That's what this first one is. Always have X balance in my account of credit. And how often would you like that to be deposited into your wallet area? So I would strongly recommend, if you're doing campaigns that are going out and you don't ever want your campaigns to stop because your credits run out, I would always recommend please at least make sure that your recharge amount is around $25. Now, of course, please use the calculator to ensure that you know kind of how much credit you're going to need in there based on the size of your business. Yeah, if you're only sending emails to a few people, you could probably get away with your credit balance staying at around $5 at recharge amount. If you've got lists of tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people, you're probably going to need a credit that's a bit higher. Okay, so this really is a decision that you need to make. What credit do you want sat there based on the size of your business? So you want to say, if I have less than $25, then charge my credit card with, $50. So that there will always be, in this example here, there will always be $50 credit kind of sat in this account so that your campaigns will never stop. All right, you'll see there it auto updated itself. Please make sure you now just go in to your settings, click on billing, click on the wallets and transactions, and set the limit of the credit balance that you would like to always sit inside your account so that your consumables are always working. If you need any help or assistance with this, you've got your live chat feature here, which should normally be on the bottom of my screen, but for some reason it's decided to sit in the middle of my screen today. You can drag and drop and move this around, by the way. When you click on your little live chat button here, you have a live chat option right here. You can chat with any of our Teksperts at any time if there's any questions you want to ask about this. And of course, as always, you can always hire one of our Teksperts if you want to have some personalized coaching, consulting, and help with your basic settings inside Tekmatix. Happy teching!